Hi, Ron Williams with Certified Roof and Inspection.
You know, the early 1970s all the way through the late 80s, shake roofing was undoubtedly the most popular roofing product in use on the West Coast. Well, now those shake roofs are wearing out, and the most common problem with the older shake roofs is what we call a felt exposure. Now what happens is the sun burns through the thinnest part of the underlying shake, which in turn leaves the felt underneath that exposed. If left unchecked, the sun will burn through this felt and leave the wood sheathing exposed, and then you've got a roof leak. Now the next most common thing would have to be loose, cracked, or missing ridge caps. And that's where we come in, regardless of what's wrong with your shake roof.
Certified Roof and Inspection is here to help you, so give us a call at 800-409-4910 or on the web at roofcertified.com.